Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your birthday on TikTok. In order to change your birthday on TikTok, you'll need to contact TikTok support via the feedback form. That is the only way you can change your birthday information on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your TikTok application and log into your account if necessary. From your home screen of TikTok, tap on the Me button at the bottom right, and from this page, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Scroll all the way down and under Support, tap on Report a Problem. From this page, tap on Account and Profile. Under Feedback and Help, tap on Editing Profile and tap on Other. Tap on Need More Help, and now under Tell Us Your Feedback, go ahead and type in your problem. For example, let me type in this message over here. It says that I want to change my birthday information since I entered a wrong information during sign up, and I'm gonna type in help and finishing it off. Now you can simply go ahead and tap on this image icon and you can upload a picture or any kind of a proof that shows your real birthday. Tap on Report at the bottom of the page. After you do that, the only thing left to do is to wait for TikTok to reach back to you. That is how you can easily change your birthday on TikTok by contacting TikTok support. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.